What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Talking Gospel. I hope you're prayed up, I hope you're blessed up, and most importantly, I hope your soul is right with Christ before you got on that bike. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I talk motorcycles, riding techniques, gear reviews, and everything in between, all while keeping Christ at the center of the journey. Today we're covering something every new rider should know before joining a group ride, which is motorcycle hand signals. Here's an official motorcycle hand signal guide. Feel free to pause it, take a picture, but you will notice that these signals change in real life riding. If this is your very first group ride, don't worry. It could be a little intimidating trying to remember what all the signals mean while you're focused on riding safely. The good news is that most of these hand signals are simple, practical, and easy to recognize once you've seen them a few times. So in this video, I'm going to break them down one by one in a beginner-friendly way. Think of it as a moto hand signal guide for beginners, or as I like to say, a guide for dummies. No judgment here. We all started somewhere.
What you riding?
I have, today I brought the boost in.
Oh, nice. Nice. What year?
What's that?
What year?
That's a 09.
09? Okay. I got a K9 also.
Okay. Yeah, I got a Gixxer 600. That's a 02 also.
Nice. Okay.
So I just met this guy. He's going to be leading the group today, and I'll be following after him, and he will be providing the hand signals just for you to follow along. So if you're like me, it takes me forever to put my gear on. You want to make sure that you're geared up early, if that is the case, so that you're ready to go with the pack. And we're coming up on our first signal. This is simply making a left turn. It's straightforward. Pokes his hand out, points to the left. This next symbol right here is just letting you know that he's going to be taking this lane. It's really simple. When you come to a stop, it's very common to pull side by side to the next rider, or just get really close to them, just so that we stay together. It is baking hot out here. I hope that you are wearing a mesh vest or protective gear as I am, so you can at least try to stay cool as possible when the bike is not rolling. It is kind of hard to avoid wearing all black, because I believe, in my opinion, black helmets make for the best visual eye candy. Also, we have a biker coming up here on the right side that is not part of the group, which all bikers are welcome. This is common. We show love. And the way that is typically shown is by throwing the peace sign down, or just saying twos down. This is a stop sign. Fist in the air. Simple enough. And again, he's showing love to this biker. Obstruction in the road, right foot out, right into the left hand, pointing to the right, letting you know that he is going to the right. This is we're going to blow through the light, although the light may be yellow, just to keep the group together. Again, left hand out, pointing to the right, letting you know that we'll be making a right turn. Left hand again, pointing to the left, letting you know that we will be making a left turn. Like I said, simple enough. Again, left hand pointing to the right, we are making a right turn. Sometimes a right turn can also be left hand sticking out, just straight in the air, forming like an L shape from your elbow, and we have arrived to the place. One of the signs that I didn't mention that's really important is a cop alert sign, which you simply pat the top of your helmet or tap the top of your head. I will caution you to not do this in front of a police officer. Some police officers can take offense, and it can even go as far as to be illegal in some cases or some states. So just use discretion when you want to notify fellow bikers that there are cops nearby. And we have safely arrived to our destination, Aviators. I'm just going to hydrate, chit chat for a little bit, and then I'll be back on my way out. I do want to note this is not an exhaustive list of all of the hand signals are there, but as you can see, these are all of the hand signals needed to get us safely to this ride. I do want to point out, if there are more than 5 riders, or you're like sitting right in the middle of 10, 15 plus, you want to repeat these symbols. So the guy that's leading shouldn't be the only one conducting or giving these signals out. And so once you see him put the fist in the air for stop, you will repeat the symbol so that it has a domino effect, so that the people behind you also see. Especially if there's an obstruction in the road, you put your left foot out saying that there's an obstruction to the left. You put your right foot out saying that there's an obstruction to the right. If you see the leader doing that, you're a few bikes away. You want to repeat that symbol so that it has a domino effect, so everyone in the group is safe. Every symbol you see, you repeat the symbol, and you keep it going so that everyone see it and that everyone is safe during the ride. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it made you a little more confident to go ahead and go on that group ride. If you like what you see, you like my channel, if I helped you out in any other way, please like and share this video to that guy you know, and hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow. And I'll see you in the next video.
All right, how are you, man?
Good, how are you?
All right.
If you stayed this long, I greatly appreciate you. I'm just going to share a few clips on my ride back home. And if you wish to stay, feel free and enjoy.
Just like that, we're heading out. All right, Jonathan, you take it easy, man. It was a pleasure meeting you. Going right. Just like that. Came, saw, conquered, made new friends, shared some new stories, shared some like-minded experiences. I think we're good to go here. And headed back home. So, and I think everybody was surprised that the turnout, it's so many bikers that come out, like especially in weather like this. I think something must have happened with the Greensboro group, because usually that's the group that's deep. Usually I meet with them, and then we ride out. So we meet at like a middle spot, and then we ride out. But I don't think, maybe they changed their mind and decided to do something different. I don't know. But all together, it was around about like 12, 15 bikes. Usually the minimum is like 50. It's like at least a minimum of 50. So maybe I didn't get the memo. Maybe they changed their mind. Something happened. I don't know. But overall, had a good time. It was just chill, nothing rowdy, nothing hype, no burnouts, no wheelies. We got there safe. Like I said, met the guy Jonathan, cool guy. He said he'd been riding for about a year, took the MSF course, and he said that he went straight to a 750 and had the 750 for a year, and then went straight to the 1400 Cowie. Huge jump. The larger the group, the more opportunity for things to go wrong. Well, let's talk about pros and cons of riding in a small group versus a large group. So I say some of the pros of riding in a large group is most of the time the ride is going to be chill. Like they're not really like speeding like crazy because they want everybody to stay together. You got a leader. Usually riding in a larger group, there's blockers. And there's like designated blockers are just designated bikers that will block cars from turning so that the flow of the traffic for motorcycles can stay consistent. So like if we're all making a turn, blockers will come and block all entryways where cars can interfere and let all of the bikers pass and move out the way.